Welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. Alright, if today is the first time of seeing my video, please do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on that red subscribe button and there's a bell beside it. It's a notification bell. And once you click it, you subscribe and you click that bell, you always get notified when I post a new video. So thank you so much to all my subscribers. Alright, so let's go into the detail of the video. I'm going to be teaching you another exciting, beautiful bag today. And the measurement, we're using a leather material. Okay, this is a beautiful leather material. All right, and the measurement is 12 by 28 inches. 12 inches by 28. All right, now I'll be using my black belt. All right, and the handle, I'm using 15 inches. 15 for the hand on this side, 15 for the hand on the right. Okay, so I'm going to print some inside like this. Let's say 1 inch. So measure 3.5 from this side. That's 3.5. 3.5 means 3.5. Come to this side as well and measure 3. So this top stitch it the second time and bring out the hand. So this is what we have. So I'll do the same thing here. 3.5. You are folding half 1 inch inside. That is half. 3.5 again. That's 3.5. 3.5 on this side as well. The next thing is I'll be decorating. I'll be using my belt. So you can measure from here to here. You can measure 2.5. That's 2.5. So let me put a ribbon here. I'm going to measure like 6 inches. So after measuring it, so I do like a cross. Can you see? So I'll place it here. Call it a flex. So you also need to measure. Make sure it's accurate. So I have 3 on this side, almost 3, almost 3. But if you're not placing picture on it, all you need to do is just join it together. right, so this is what I have. The next thing is my side. Cut 4 by 12 inches, two of it. All right, so I'm going to cut a V shape here, a V shape. All right, so I'll also come to this my main bag, make it to be equal, and then give it a V cover as well. Come to this other side as well and give it a curve. So I'm going to place the marked sides together like this on each other. Can you see what I have? The V to the V. Fold the rest inside. All I need to do is apply oil if you see that it's folded. So apply some machine oil here or on the material so that it won't fold. All right, so I'm going to cover here using my belt. All I need to do is follow the shape with my belt. See how simple and brief it is. See what I have. All right, can you see what we have here? Now, the next thing is you are not to leave here like that. Burn it. To burn it. Just burn the top. Can you see? Use your hand to press it so that it will not lose. So my bag is ready. Don't forget here. So you need to be careful. All right. So we've come to the end of this video. For comments, for any question, just comment there on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. All right, so if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do well by subscribing. Just click on that red button, as simple as ABC. You will see my video anytime I upload. Thank you so much. Bye for now.